certain other thing, you will definitely know whom am I talking about. He is a person who is helping others to achieve their goals. For example, like I gave the introduction in the morning, there is a person who is there to guide others, who has been a big guidance for all others, who has been working with the tagline, every dream deserves a chance. Of course, this is 100% true. Every one of us deserves a chance to fulfill our own dreams. Not everyone is achieving the dream because we don't have a proper guide or we don't have proper guidance. So I take immense pleasure in welcoming Dr. Maharaja Sivasubramanian, a polymath who has been a coach, consultant, trainer, and also advisor to Mission 3G. Thank you so much, Doctor, for taking this post-lunch session also. You have given a teaser in the morning to let people know what you are going to share, and now this session is to you. Session is over to you.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Perfect. So hi everybody, and good afternoon once again. And it's a great thing to be able to, like a great pleasure to be able to interact with all of you. And for the next 40 minutes, we are going to have, like a wonderful journey in terms of how we are going to discuss in terms of 3G Me Life platform. So that's what I'm going to utilize this opportunity for. And of course, like shared by Tamar, any questions you have, there will be 2 Q&A sessions which I'll be handling. One will be post 5:30 today evening, and another one will also be where you can reach out to, to me through my LinkedIn or Instagram or through my WhatsApp, and we can fix up time and discuss, and all those things are there. So this session is also going to be some amount of Q&A in terms of what different people have asked regarding Me Life platform, and also in terms of how do we make the best out of it. Okay, how can you make the best out of it? Like I was sharing in the afternoon during the preview session, in any profession, if you look at it, we look at it from an external place, saying that, yes, I'm a bystander, I'm an onlooker, how does this work? I'm a bystander, I'm an onlooker, how does this work? That's how we all look at it. Okay, just give me 1 second. Yeah. So then why career coaching as a career? Now, for some people, it may be where you're looking for an option to be able to make a pivot, where you are having some basic graduation, undergraduation, post-graduation, or a different profession, and you're looking at making a transition to certain profession. Then career coaching as a career is something that's really, really a wonderful option. Another one that we are going to have a view of today is also in terms of how you can take in career coaching as a business. So that's the 2 aspects. One is career coaching as a career, and another one is career coaching as a business. So anyway, if you look at it, what we know, like how Mr. Prakshit Danda was sharing yesterday, it's very little what we know, what we apply, and we do it over a period of time. How it's like a huge ocean, especially looking at the number of people that are there in India or across the world. And if we take in and work with this mission of building India to serve the world, and being able to build every single career coach so competent enough to be a celebrity career coach, in the sense of, like be a celebrity by themselves, then it's a very, very important thing. Then how we can do the same. Okay, how you can do the same. That's what we're going to be looking at. So if you look at some of those areas, what is it? Let's look at your career growth. Now, everybody stands in. Some of you are already career coaches. Some of you are newbies. Some of you are looking at it in terms of like, yes, it's looking like a wonderful conference. So let me go ahead and learn and explore in terms of what it really is about. So if you look at all those options and take it from there, then what is the level at which you want to grow? So there's going to be 2 tracks, which I'm going to be discussing with each one of you. One track is that as a career, and another track is that as a business. So let's start with the career. If we are starting with the career coaching as a career option. Yes, today all of you have attended the foundation conference. So this conference, when you also go through a MCQ test, Okay, it's an easy test. If you have paid attention to all the sessions, it will be really easy for you to be able to pass it. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. It's around 25 questions, and will take somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes to finish that up. Once you have done that, you'll be getting a certificate from London School of Certification as a foundation for the foundation program. Once you have completed that, then what is the next level of progression with 3G, with 3G Me Life, is where you come in for the advanced program. Now, what's the cost of the advanced program? The advanced program is a 12 to 14-day program, which is going to happen in multiple varieties. So I'll get into the multiple varieties a second later. First, let me go on in terms of a brief description about the advanced program. So what's the basic description or brief description about the advanced program? It's a 12 to 14-day program, depending upon the batch size. And it's going to be a lot more practical, where you are going to be trained at 4 levels. So what are the 4 levels? One is about AI, psychology, the IR 4.0, the Industrial Revolution 4.0, and the current era and the new era. What's the current scenario that is there? Then in that scenario, what are the skill sets that you have to get, and how do business going to operate? How are people going to operate? And how is the world evolving and changing? So that's going to be one aspect where we all become future ready. Okay, so it's like, imagine a table. I want each one of you to imagine a table which is having 4 legs, or a chair having 4 legs. So one leg of the advanced program is going to be the AI and psychology and the Industrial Revolution 4.0 and all those concepts. The other aspect, if you look at it, it's about the business skills. Yes, even when you are in a career, that's also a business model. A lot of people say, I'm a freelancer, so am I in business? Yes, you are in business. Your business model is known as a freelance business model. Somebody may say, no, I do only part-time. Yes, you are in a business model known as a part-time business model. Somebody may say, I'm just one person, I don't have many people. Then you are a solopreneur business model. Okay, so for that aspect, when we look at it, business model is something that is very, very important. And another leg for the chair on the table will be the business leg, where you'll be getting trained in terms of the business skills. So when it comes to the business skills, how do we take on them? Through the different aspects, in terms of creating the awareness among your target market, in terms of being able to create a connection with your target market, in terms of being able to develop the rapport, and then from there being able to help them to buy from you, to be able to select you as their career coach, and to continuously work with you, and also focus on various aspects of a customer or a client in terms of client acquisition, client engagement, client education, client retention, and client referral. So how do you do that? And even when it is service business, it is, yes, it is a service business. You are doing the service, and the more you are able to do it with proper systems, frameworks, and processes, you will be able to have a better impact and be able to serve a lot more people. Some people will also have it like, for me, money is not important. It's about the satisfaction of it. Well, guess what? The more you are able to structure it, the less you have to work to be able to make the required money. And the rest of the time, you will always have the freedom, the time freedom, to be able to do at one level a lot amount of research, and at another level to be able to go and do a lot of service to people, and also to engage in other activities, especially for people who also have a family to take care, and they feel, why I can't do it? I'm having a family to take care. I have other things to take care. I have other things to, I'm having time constraints and all those things. When you have the right systems and process, and that's where we have also 3G Me Life is also bringing it as a plug and play model, where you can take it to the next level. So once you've completed the advanced, what next? Or what's going to be there in the advanced after the AI skills, that one leg, and the business skills, one leg. Then there are 2 more legs. The 2 more legs are, one leg is all about psychology, counseling, career coaching, and all those areas. That's the core area of your domain expertise. Okay, so how do you then develop the core expertise to be able to grow as a professional? So from being somebody who is watching the show, who is watching the whole landscape happening, to moving somebody who is like a student, and then from there to an intern, from there to a novice, from there to a professional, and from there to an expert, and finally to becoming a celebrity. So that's where, if you look at it, how do you become a professional? How do you become a better professional? That's where we have the professional skills in terms of the knowledge and the skill set required, where we'll be focusing on those aspects. That is the psychology, coaching, counseling, psychometric assessments, and all those things. Like, for example, a deep dive session like how Dr. GK had taken all of us through for the last 90 minutes. Similarly, we'll be having multiple deep dive sessions on multiple different aspects. Then if you look at the 4th leg, and that is all about your own development as a person. your own development as an individual, your own development as a person who is having a system wherein you can ensure all the other three things are happening as automated as possible. So how do you do that? That is where we'll come in terms of your personality development, your self-development, your digital transformation, positioning you as a digital expert, setting up your own digital office and all those things. And also coming up with your brochures, with your website, with your blogs, with your webinar like this, okay, with your social media. And there we'll also be looking at what can be considered as the big five of the social media. In terms of, if we're looking at it, we are speaking about the SEO, the Google SEO. We are speaking of Facebook profile, page, groups, and all those aspects. Then we are looking at, YouTube. So the YouTube videos, YouTube live, and all those aspects. Then if you look at it in terms of LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn group, and all those aspects. Then if you look at it in terms of Twitter or Instagram. So for some people, Twitter is a major platform. For some people, Instagram is a major platform. Then how do you build it up over through all those platforms and add it to it? How do you also develop your own poster concepts, your own business concepts, and also have a one-year roadmap? So that's what we are going to be focusing on. And it's not just going to be theory, it's also going to be practical and a lot of practice, where during that period itself, we'll be building as much as possible. Now, once advance is completed and you are able to keep on functioning, what's then going to happen? Do we just work on in terms of practical training in all those areas? Well, to begin with, yes, practical training in terms of all those areas. However, as being part of the advanced program and also have to complete the advanced program, you're also part of the 3G career coach community, the community of 3G career coaches, 3G Me Life career coaches. So what happens over there? We'll have regular webinars, which over a period of time will be happening once a week, so that your continuous learning is taken care of to a great extent. Okay, you'll be having access to a digital library, which will have a lot of templates, a lot of presentations, a lot of books, a lot of video lectures, a lot of audio lectures, a lot of reading materials, and all those things, a lot of articles where you can go through and learn a lot more. Plus, if you look at career coaching, a lot of already existing career coaching experts will know it, that it's all about the assessments. So when it comes to assessment, is there a charge associated with each and every single assessment? The answer is yes. For you to buy a coupon for the assessment, there's a charge addressed. At the same time, with the advanced program, you get wonderful amount of coupons along with it, where you can kickstart your career coaching work along with the advanced package itself. So you get a lot of free coupons also. Okay. Now that is what it is there. Now, some of you may have a question. That's all really wonderful. Now, how can I do it? I'm just a fresher. Well, fine. If you are a fresher, please do come in and join in. You can continue learning over there. There is no, unless other than attending the foundation webinar, this one, there's no other prerequisite for coming in for the advanced program. Then comes the other aspect. I have time constraint. I'm working some other work. I'm doing my other business, or I'm also engaged in a few other activities. How can I do that? Well, that is where the program is going to be tailor customized for different categories of people. So what are different categories of people, and what are going to be the different program styles in which we are going to be doing? A good portion of the program is going to be live program. So we'll be having live webinars like this. This webinar is a live webinar. It's not a recorded webinar. At the same time, there will also be a good amount of recorded sessions. So you will have to have a healthy mix of attending both this one and also completing all the necessary assignments and projects. So that is at one level. If you look at another level, how the programs are going to be delivered. Once we have the basic number of participants for each of the program, it's going to be delivered in multiple levels or multiple formats, as in one is going to be like a continuous program of say 8 hours of sessions or 7 hours of session every single day for 14 days. So that's one format where it's going to be continuous learning. Then there is going to be another format of learning where it is going to be like a weekend program. Okay, where we will have it only during the weekends for people who are busy during the weeks. Then also there's going to be another format of doing it in terms of part-time, where instead of doing it for 7 hours or 8 hours for whole day, you'll be doing it for 2 hours or 3 hours, and the timing will vary. For people who want to do the fast track, you can come in the fast track and you can do it over a period of 14 days, which will happen over a period of 2 to 3 weeks. For people who want to do it the weekend batch, you can come in the weekend batch and you can do it accordingly over a period of couple of months. And for people who want to do it part-time, like 2 to 3 hours per week, then that also can be done and we can take it forward accordingly. So this is in terms of the advance. Now what next after this? Once you have completed in terms of the advanced, then you move on to what can be said as the mastery level. So when it comes to the mastery with 3G Me Life, we'll be selecting people. Okay, we'll be selecting people. We'll be running regular evaluations and all those things. We'll be collecting the feedback, and by application only, people who have completed the advanced can then proceed to the mastery program. Now, yes, there are some people who have also completed few other programs, few other certifications and all those things. Still, it is highly recommended that you also complete the advanced program, where you will be getting additional scholarship based upon the programs that you have already completed. So based upon the programs and based upon different potential partners of 3G Me Life and also other universities and all those things, in areas related with career coaching, based upon your certifications, based upon your qualifications, we'll be giving in additional scholarship, discount scholarship for the people who are already qualified. And still you'll be going through a review process in terms of advance, and then from there taking over there. And from there is the next step going on to the mastery level. So mastery level is an intensive 3-month program. When done regularly in a fast track mode, it is a 3-month program. Again, when we bring in the other formats, then it is going to be a 6-month program. So it's either a 3-month program or a 6-month program. Again, when it comes to the mastery, you get a lot of benefits in terms of like the coupons, like the membership dashboard. I'll be actually showing you the dashboard soon. Okay, so that one is there, and also a lot more other opportunities also are going to be there. Okay, where you'll be representing 3G Me Life and being provided, or we'll be sharing opportunities with you to be able to go to different schools and colleges and be able to do career coaching, career guidance, awareness sessions and all those things. Okay, so that is where I'm also going to share later. Okay, once this the entire roadmap I'm discussing in terms of the career, I'll also be sharing how you can work on in terms of creating multiple gigs or multiple streams of income. So please wait for it for the next 2 minutes. So you've completed mastery, then what next? Then that is where you also have an opportunity to be able to move beyond a 6-figure income and even aspire for and even achieve a 7-figure, 8-figure income. I'm going to show you even some of the basic data which you have already worked upon, which you have also done the R&D for, basic R&D for, in terms of how a person can be in the ecosystem of career coaching and also make a 7-figure, 8-figure income. So if we look at it, how it is going to be in the future, as we make on the progress from 3G Me Life, we'll also be coming up with the franchisee model, the 3G Me Life franchisee model, which is what Dr. Shahid also shared in the morning. So when it comes to the 3G franchisee model, how it will be working, people who have already completed mastery level, they can also then progress to the next level based upon their infrastructure, based upon their qualification, and based upon the selection criteria. They can qualify to become a district franchisee or a master franchisee. So a district franchisee will be there for each and every single district throughout India, and a master franchisee will be allocated for a collection of different districts. So mostly it will be like one or two master franchisees per state. That is how it will be working. And from there, it will be working on at the next level. So if you look at it, yes, the natural progression of being able to grow on is you are having an R&D unit, which is going to support you from 3G Me Life. We are also having other projects in pipeline, which is going to support you a lot in terms of the 3G School of Psychology, 3G School of Technology, 3G School of Entrepreneurship, and all those things. We are also building a community over here where each one of them are going to support each one of us. So it's more like a complete platform where all stakeholders support each other to be able to go to the next level. Okay, so if you look at it, then what is the whole thing? So this is where, if we said, or if you have understood, in terms of the gig economy, where you can do a lot of different works and then be able to really take it to the next level. So that's number one. Number two, if you look at it, it's going to be in terms of multiple streams of income. So as you progress and as you are able to take the most out of 3G Me Life community and the opportunities that we are sharing, you are also developing yourself not just as a career coach or a career counselor. You are also having an opportunity to develop as a trainer, as a speaker, as a blogger, as a social media expert, and even in the niche of career coaching and career counseling. So that's something that's really, really, really important. So we'll be providing you with all the opportunities where you can sit at home, work from home, and have a business model where you can create multiple streams of income. Okay, so that's something that is very important. And over here, we also understand that not everybody understands the basics of business, and that is where we'll also be looking at in terms of the business model, where you will also be trained through a fast track entrepreneurship program as part of the advanced module and as well as the mastery module in terms of identifying different sources of revenue, the customer base, the products, the details of financing, and all those things. So when we look at the social entrepreneur model and the 3G life model and all those things, there's going to be a lot of other areas where you can work on. Okay, so that is where you end up becoming someone who is part of a platform business model. Okay, when you are working as a single person, you're working as a single person, and that's like a solopreneur. When you're working as a small team or having a small business, then you are having a small business. When it comes to a platform, it's like, think of WhatsApp, think of Facebook, think of Uber, think of Amazon, think of Flipkart. These are all in terms of platform business model, and also some places where we'll have hybrid business models where we'll be looking at bringing in e-commerce, bringing in online work, bringing on offline work, and all those things, and also different income streams and different professional positioning. Okay, so this is in terms of what we can look for in terms of this one. So did all of you were able to see the slides or not?
Yes, doctor. Actually, the first slide was for a long time about the career.
Okay, got it.
That is where they were saying there is no slide change.
Okay. So the next one I'm going to be showing is in terms of the dashboard. Okay, the next one I'm going to be showing is in terms of the dashboard. So what's this dashboard all about? Now let us say you are coming in for the counseling, the advanced program. So once you come in for the advanced program, you will actually be having access to this dashboard where you will be giving your username, and then you will be giving your password. And then when you log in, you will actually be logging in to this dashboard. So let me just quickly take 5 to 10 minutes and explain this whole dashboard to you. Okay, so what is there in this dashboard? One will be in terms of the vouchers. So like I said, when you're joining the program as an advanced, all those things, you'll be getting a lot of vouchers for different career assessments. And once you have completed mastery and all those levels and progress to that level, you will also be having students who will be allocated for you. Okay, where you'll be working along with 3G Me Life, and you'll be able to get them. So let me show in terms of the student aspect. Okay, so this is in terms of the dashboard, in terms of your profile, and how do you look at it. So your profile is there, your vouchers is there, and who are the students are there. So once you click on in terms of students, you will have the details. So this is like a dummy data in terms of like already some content which is there. So you will have their name, their class, their year of passing, their phone number, their email ID, their status. So here you can go and click on the status. You'll be able to know what and all are the tests that they have completed, what they have not completed. So when you say a test is completed, and when you click on it, okay, are you able to see the Stream Finder test report now?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, so you will have the entire report accessible with you regarding them, and then you can go through it and prepare it and all those things. So that is there. And then where you can also go and look at their profile in a deeper manner in terms of education details, their academic details, and other things in terms of their tests and reports. What are the tests and reports that they have taken? In terms of the session and insights. So what are the different sessions? What is it? What is the action plan you have discussed with them? So you can even, like share certain resources with them, which will then get delivered to them through email. You can write down the action plan over here. If you want to take some session notes, you will have a separate board for that. And then what is the roadmap you have selected for this person? That also you can have. So even in terms of roadmap, we are having like roadmap 1, roadmap 2, some options are there, which you can always go and select and do it. So this is in terms of the student profile where you can go and do it. And apart from this, if you look at it, so, like you have the EC dashboard happening over here in terms of different scholarship, in terms of different career counseling courses, in terms of different blogs. So inside of this one, you also have an entire LMS for your continuing education where you can learn for many hours every single day. Okay. It's entirely dependent upon like how much you want to learn. And then we have the courses section also, which is coming up over here. once that comes over here, so what is it going to be courses? So that is where you will also have access to your e-library for going through different courses, different small courses in terms of self-development, social media, psychology and counseling, psychometric assessment, all those things. So all those mini self-learning courses will be coming up over here. Okay. So that is there. Then you have a list of all the colleges and all of this one. Then in terms of the exams, so let us say we are in a country right now, India. Okay. So in India, let us say I'm going to search for Tamil Nadu, and then I'm going to click search. Okay. Then what are the different colleges that are there? I'll be getting a entirely different list. Okay. So and all this we are having and also expanding our R&D team, okay, which is working in terms of every single day to be able to build up this entire platform. So if we look at it, okay, you'll be getting free vouchers. So the value of those vouchers itself, if you look at it, it's going to be running to multiples of thousands, like 10 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, if you have to purchase it separately. Then if you look at in terms of the AI courses that you will be attending, AI and psychology and all those things, again, if you look at it, it's going to be running across in terms of multiple tens of thousands of rupees. Then if you look at in terms of the business skills, I'm a business coach and trainer myself, and I have been doing regular business coaching and training programs. So if you look at it, then again, something between 5 to 50,000 rupees minimum of that investment will be required. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. Then we are also, okay, vouchers of the assessments, vouchers of the psychometric assessments, or the skill finder test and all those things. Okay, then if you look at it also in terms of other income opportunities, then if you look at in terms of the digital skills, the social media skills, we are getting real experts, we are getting real social media influencers to be able to come and do different sessions, and that is going to be the real game over there. So again, those programs are going to be worth somewhere between 25 to 50,000 rupees only on themselves. Yeah. So if we look at it in terms of 4 different pillars. One is in terms of, or actually 5 pillars. One is in terms of AI and all those training. That itself can be priced somewhere between 20 to 50,000 rupees. Then is in terms of the business skills program. Again, that can be priced somewhere between 20 to 50,000 rupees. Then we have the psychology and counseling and or career related training programs happening. Your skill set based training, again, they can be priced between 20 to 50,000 rupees. Then we are also having in terms of the digital skills training, the digital entrepreneur training, the self development training and all those things, and the skill development training that we are having. That's again another 20 to 50K of training. Plus also all the other support in terms of the roadmap, in terms of the posters, in terms of the plug and play templates, in terms of the vouchers and all those things, they can also be valued at somewhere between 20 to 50,000 rupees. So we are speaking of somewhere between 1 to 2.5 lakhs. That's what it is in terms of the value of the package, and it's regularly priced at, for now, at 30,000 rupees. And for the first batch with this webinar, okay, that's going to be joining after this webinar, we will be having it after this webinar conference or digital conference, it will be at 20,000 rupees. So you'll be getting a 10,000 rupees discount scholarship for all of you. If any of you have already completed any of the certifications or any of the other courses and qualifications, then please get in touch with us. We'll be able to discuss with you in terms of what can be further discount scholarship for each one of you. Okay, for each one of you. Again, the roadmap is the same. We start with the foundation, which is a three-day webinar. Then we go on with the advanced. Then we go on with the mastery. Selected people from the advanced will go on to the mastery by application. And from the mastery, once the 3G School of Psychology also becomes in a roadmap, we are in discussion with different international universities where we will be having UG level, undergraduate level programs combining psychology, career coaching, counseling, coaching, management, and technology. When these are the skills that's going to be there for the future, we are going to be coming up with UG level, PG, postgraduate level, and PhD level programs, which mix a healthy blend of all these different areas. That is the career coaching and career counseling part. That's also in terms of the psychology aspect, in terms of the management aspect, in terms of the entrepreneurship aspect, and also in terms of the technology aspect. So we'll be looking at bringing it all together. Okay, and it is of coming from immense more than 10 years of experience. It's coming with more than 10 years of R&D and 10 years of R&D. That's what it is. So, sorry, it's not an experience. It's more of 10 years of R&D with thousands of people who have got involved in terms of building each and every single aspect, whether it is the Blue Book, which runs for, like a huge encyclopedia of more than like 4,000 pages, plus also all the e-learning aspects, plus also the different experts. Like Dr. GK's experience is my age. So if you look at it, we are getting the best of the academic board, we are getting the best of the advisory board to be able to handhold and travel along with each one of you, where in some areas we are better and we'll be able to share it with you. In some areas you may be better and you may be able to share it with us, and together we are building a community and we are working on being able to create a massive impact for the 1 million career coaches needed for the 315 million plus people in India, and to build India to serve the world. That's the whole theme, and also one of the aspects that we are looking forward moving from here, starting from here. Okay, so with this, I like to conclude this talk. I'm sure you have gone through the dashboard. I'll be again coming back in terms of around 5:30 for some Q&A, and I will also be running through once more the advanced curriculum and all those things. We'll be taking it up from there and going over there. In terms of, let me take some quick couple of questions.
Doctor,
Any
I think,
questions?
panel members are waiting. Can
Okay.
we have questions later?
Perfect. So we'll have the questions later. So I'll be coming back again around 5:30 in terms of any Q&A, and also I'll request the organizing team to type my contact details in terms of the LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile, and WhatsApp number in case if anybody wants to connect with me or to connect with other MeLife admin team, where you can clarify your questions. Okay, so thank you all and have a great learning and a great progress. This is Dr. Maharaja Shiv Subramanian signing off. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Definitely we are looking forward.
Join the mission, build India to serve. Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission and build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.
Join the mission, build India to serve the world.